what is very interesting about these recent artificial intelligence technologies, particularly deep learning technology, which has been quite famous in other computer vision tasks, in microscopic data, etc. So what we are doing here, we are getting inspired by these results from microscopes, imaging, or other sort of imaging like from computer vision tasks, and we are trying to use this idea whether we can segment these difficult regions, like difficult to visualize even by the medical doctors, by making the model learn using these ground truths. So what happens, it uses this data like segmentation results, which are done by the experts, and we train the model, and the model understands that this part is the substantia nigra, and it tries to segment. So what we are studying, that model gives around 80% of similarity with the ground truth, but it's always challenging because we are considering ground truth as animal segmentations, which are anyway done by humans, which are prone to errors apparently. So that is always a challenge with AI, that it would never reach 100% because we are always having ground truth or some human doctors who are prone to errors anyway. So that is the challenging part. So we are trying to develop this model rather stronger so that we can generalize internationally in different kinds of MRI cohorts. So our recent publications in Movement Disorder Journal is mostly based on the ongoing ICEBERG cohort at our Paris Brain Institute. So the next task for this year is to have similar results, automatically segmenting the images like internationally for different sort of cohorts, different scanner type, etc. There is a part about the genetic aspect for these patients. For example, we use this data, we have the clinical features, clinical results, we compare from the neuroimaging aspect, but still we do not understand the pattern genetically. Like what happens, is there this global risk of genetic, which is also implied in these subjects or not? That is something ongoing. We have this for this cohort of ICEBERG. That would be something very interesting to study, like the genetic behavior, like how are there some genetic precursors also to these iRBD subjects?